Hello, my dear children. Good morning, you all. I am going to continue this topic, periodic properties. This topic is related to your third chapter, classification of elements and periodicity in properties. This is the chapter of your chemistry for class 11th. In this chapter, in this topic, I was discussed about various periodic properties. I have already discussed about the atomic size, later on ionic size, then ionization potential or ionization enthalpy. Now I am going to discuss about electron gain enthalpy. Electron gain enthalpy. In short, it is denoted as EA, electron affinity. What is electron gain enthalpy? As the name indicates, electron gain. When an isolated neutral gaseous atom accepts an electron, few energy is released. The amount of energy released by an atom by accepting an electron is called electron gain enthalpy. Enthalpy is the heat or energy released when an electron is added to neutral isolated gaseous atom. This energy released is denoted as negative. Means the value of electron gain enthalpy is always negative because it releases energy. When the energy is released, the value becomes negative. See here, this energy is expressed in kilojoule per mole or electron volt per mole. In any of the unit you can express electron gain enthalpy. When first electron is added, then energy is released. Means electron affinity 1 is negative, released. But when second electron is added, then energy is also required, not released. Means here the second electron affinity is positive. Why so? When you add first electron, then energy is released. But when we add second electron, then energy is not released. Energy is also required. Why so? See here, when an electron is added, then it becomes negative charge, means converted to anion. And this negative ion repels another electron entering in it. When second electron enters within the shell, outermost shell, then the electrons present in that outermost shell repels them. They opposes the entry of this electron. Hence, here energy is also required. Okay? This is a very important question. Why second electron affinity is positive? First electron affinity is negative, whereas second electron affinity is negative. Why so? This is the reason. In any period, on moving from left to right, you know that atomic size decreases and hence electron gain enthalpy or electron affinity increases. In second period, here Li, 4Be, 5B, 6C, 7N, 8O, 9F, 10 neon. This is the noble gas which has fully filled shells. They do not take electrons, means their electron gain enthalpy is 0. And electron gain enthalpy of fluorine is maximum. because it contains 7 valence electrons. Here the electron gain enthalpy is minimum because it contains only 1 valence electron. Means within any period on moving from left to right, the electron affinity or electron gain enthalpy increases. This one has lowest electron gain enthalpy and this one has highest electron gain enthalpy. Opposite to this, on moving from top to bottom within any group, atomic size increases. Hence, electron affinity decreases. Means first element here, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium. Out of these, this one has maximum electron gain enthalpy and this one has minimum electron gain enthalpy. Means on moving from top to bottom, electron gain enthalpy decreases. This is about the electron gain enthalpy. Here an exceptional case, in halogens, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, the electron gain enthalpy of chlorine is greater than fluorine and bromine and iodine. Here, this is the something different, abnormal condition, or you can say exceptional case. The electron gain enthalpy of chlorine is greater than fluorine. Why so? The size of fluorine is very small in comparison to chlorine. Hence, fluorine releases less energy on accepting electron than chlorine. Chlorine has greater size, hence it releases more energy than fluorine when electron is added. Okay, this is about the electron gain enthalpy. Now I am going to discuss about fifth property, and that one is electronegativity. Fifth property is electronegativity. Electronegativity, En. Here, think about the sharing of electrons. If two elements shared their electrons, then the tendency of atom to attract this shared pair of electrons towards itself is called electronegativity. Electronegativity is the tendency of an atom to attract shared pair of electrons towards itself. This tendency is called, this property is called electronegativity. Electronegativity is the property of attracting shared pair of electrons towards itself. Within any period on moving from left to right, like those of electron gain enthalpy and ionization energy, electronegativity also increases, opposite to that of atomic size. Within any group, on moving from top to bottom, what happens? Electronegativity decreases, opposite to it, because atomic size increases, like this. This is about the electronegativity. The electronegativity of halogens is very high. Fluorine has highest electronegativity in periodic table. Second one is oxygen. Okay. Now I am going to discuss about the sixth property. That one is metallic and non-metallic character. Metallic and non-metallic character. What are metals? Those elements which have tendency to lose electrons are called metals. What are non-metals? You know that those elements which have tendency to gain electrons are called non-metals. Metals and non-metals. Within any period, on moving from left to right, the metallic character decreases like that of atomic size, and non-metallic character increases. Within any group, on moving from top to bottom, metallic character increases like those of atomic size, and non-metallic character decreases. This is about the metals and non-metals. And last, seventh one is nature of oxides. This is a nature of oxides. This is a long topic, hence I will discuss in my next lecture about nature of oxides, and then I will complete my this chapter. Okay, thank you.